Hello there and welcome to the Copy Cash Secrets, where I'll be teaching you how a video sales formula should be. From here you can realize and understand that writing sales copy and developing a sales video isn't much of a difference. Compared to a sale copy layout, a sales video layout usually contains a headline followed by the video below. So what are the key elements that are needed to make a compelling video sales page? Unlike sales copy, you only need 4 key items on your sales video page. Gripping headline. The headline needs to do 2 things: create a promise and encourage visitors to watch your sales video. Basically, your headline needs to be mind-blowing. You can use the word presentation instead of the word video. By stating free presentation, for example, you're letting visitors know that this sales video may be free, but it contains valuable, standalone content. Video sales letter. The second important component is definitely the sales video in which you work your sales magic. Buy button. Last but not least, the buy button is essential when you're asking for a sale. Video length. Usual sales video length is 30 to 40 minutes, but it may be varied. The most important aspect is to ensure that your sales video covers the essential information, especially on building up on the value and benefits of your product or services. If your sales video is a hybrid format that comprises of sales copy, you could be looking at 8 to 16 minutes of video. Next, we'll be touching on the 12 straightforward steps of video sales letters. The template should be 1. Attention-grabbing greeting. Similar to the headline in a sales letter, your first slide must grab your viewer's attention. 2. Identify the problem with a promise to solve it. Follow up from the greeting. You need to address the problem that resonates with the viewer. From there, let them know if they keep viewing, they'll learn how to solve this problem. By doing so, it will reassure the viewers that they're watching the right video, and it indicates that you actually understand their problem that they're facing. 3. Establishing video scarcity. You want to let your viewer know that this sales video that they're watching may not be available forever. You don't want to have your viewers feel like they can save it for another time. It's best not to establish scarcity if you're going to leave your video sales letter up. It will reduce your credibility big time. 4. Exaggerate the problem. Exaggerate is essentially a simple step to emphasize the problem. Most people are fairly laid back with problems, but it depends on how severe the problem is. But aggravating the problem by providing detailed information may motivate the viewer to do something about it. 5. Give the solution. This is the part where you move on with the solution, which is your product, after describing the problems your viewers are facing. 6. Features and benefits. From here, you simply want to provide the features of your product and, even more significantly, the benefits that those features will bring about. 7. Call to action. This is the part where you tell your viewers what they need to do next. Most of the time it goes like, "Go now, click below and order." 8. Present your credentials. This section is where you want to explain to the viewers why they should listen to you. Add in whatever proof, testimonials, test results that would support your offer. Drive the numbers, do the math. Whatever that's needed to explain why your offer is logical. 9. Give a guarantee. Provide your prospect a good solid guarantee, reassuring them that you stand behind your product. Offer a guarantee that eases your prospect's concerns about the problem. 10. Call to action number 2. This step should be appealing towards the prospect's logic. You've been building up to this call to action throughout the 2 previous steps, so you simply need to say something like, "Based on the results you've seen in my risk-free offer, click the order button below." 11. Give warnings, deadlines, scarcity, and guilt. If you have any deadlines associated with your offer, this is the section to mention them. There are times that you may even try to make your prospects feel guilty by stating, "Let me ask you a question. If you don't make any actions, how can you expect your life to get better?" If your product or services that you're selling is going to help your customer change his or her life, and it should be, then why not go aggressive with it? 12. Call to action number 3. The final call to action in your sales video should be fear-based. By following all these steps, you have already created the case for why actions necessary to preventing pain or loss. Take, for example, stating something like, "Click here before it's too late." When it comes to purchasing decisions, there are 3 major motivations: desire, logic, and fear. This 12-step strategy works because it hits all three motivations. This sequence essentially harnesses each motive in a way that's both controlled and systematic. Additionally, this process helps to control the sales process, building your arguments and overcoming objections. I recommend that you take 12 steps into 12 blank slides in the PowerPoint or Keynote, so it helps you in keeping track with the information you have. When it comes to video sales letters, visuals are not exactly significant. Videos that spelled out the sales message in full sentences, as if the presenter was reading a teleprompter, converted much better in almost every single market compared to bullet points. Full sentences format basically limits distractions by having viewers listen and read along. Nonetheless, it's entirely up to you to determine how to make your sales video entertaining or make more money. When it comes to capturing and recording your video sales letter, a good start is using PowerPoint or Keynote as your slide presentation software. There are various programs to choose from, but PowerPoint's the go-to option for making sales videos as easy to use, and due to its simplicity, it promotes a nice, focused presentation. If you're looking to create a sales video which includes your appearance, I recommend Camtasia Studio for PC or ScreenFlow for Mac. They are the best professional tools available around, and they're worth investing in for getting results with high-quality presentations. If you're using your own voice for your sales video, you can go with a professional recording setup, but usually an internal mic will work fine too. So how does your video sales formula flow? Decide your format, full sentence or bullet points, write your presentation using the 12 steps, record yourself giving your presentation, export the video to Flash, and you've completed your sales video. Now that I've shown you what it takes to create a video sales letter, you're now in the position to start working on your very own sales video. The sooner you start things up, the sooner you'll see conversions spike and affiliate momentum shifting to your offers.